Hi guys, I'm now in the color bar office and I've come a little early. So I'm going to sit here while these lovely ladies are putting all of the products बड़े प्यार से on the table. So I'm at the color bar headquarters and I have a lot of lovely people here. So I'm just gonna everybody's gonna say hi now.
Hi.
Can you see yourself? Is it visible?
Yeah.
Hey. Hello.
Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi.
So all of the colorful people are from color bar.
What are the latest launches Colorbar have launched? The first is we have launched the products on the basis of evolution of matte finish. So we know that matte is huge. I know it's summer and people want to apply cream and a lot of things, but still, when it comes to lip category especially, I think matte is still one step ahead of creamy lipsticks today. And it is the new trend in the market. So what we have done is we have launched 3-4 different products in the same category. So the first one we'd like to show or tell you about is Deep Matte Lip Creme. So it's a very, very unique product of ours. Quick lipstick you can say, but it's a complete matte lipstick. So once you apply, while you apply, people who use gloss but want a matte finish. There are a lot of consumers who don't like to use actually a lipstick person. So let's open up in a handbag.
So
it's a magnetic container. It's a clip-on. So if you see only brands like Estee Lauder, Lancome or top brands have this kind of containers. But that's the next premium step Colorbar has taken. That let's do magnetic container. Stain. I am not joking. A complete company, a complete.
I'm sorry, but we need a clap for this.
Yeah. It's a one of its kind.
Stain because it's
actually why we called it stain. What market has done, or what other brands right now is doing it? They call other products as stain. But stain is what? Once it comes on the cloth, it doesn't come out. Right? That's what stain actually means. There should be some product which actually doesn't transfer. Once you apply, it stays. Whereas what general market is saying today, stain is that once you apply and after certain 15-20 minutes, it's just a stain which stays. That's not a stain. Actually, this is a lip stain. So internationally, if you go to nice products and see, this is what lip stain really means. So once you apply this, it is a non-transfer lip gloss. So you apply it. While you're applying it, you'll think, no ways it's going to turn matte. No ways it's going to be a non-transfer. Just apply it. I would actually request everybody, and they're lovely shades.
And it's so light when you apply it together.
The vanilla chocolate.
Which one was this again?
And I just these are the 3
So these are the new lip kiss proof. I forget. The kiss proof lip stains. These can be. This is what it looks like. What was that color again? What was the name of that color? Palm Beach. This is what Palm Beach looks like.
So this is, and if you see,
it's going to turn into
so soft to apply,
lip stain.
so flexible to apply.
You love your kiss proof lip stain?
Yeah. Kiss proof lip stain.
That's how much you love your kiss proof lip stain. Risha, do you love yours?
I love mine.
Do you love yours? Tell me you love the kiss lip stain.
Yes, I do.
Yay.
It's a gellifying agent which is used. So what I like to show to you guys is when I open it, you'll see it. Can you see?
Oh.
Yeah.
Can you see the jelly thing?
I'm hungry.
So it's yummy. So it's completely jelly. It's with the gellifying agent it is made. There must be something.
Yeah, there's some.
High moisturizing properties.
So can we buy what we're wearing?
No.
Yeah.
You lose the property of that.
So it won't be kiss proof.
No.
But it's fine.
Yes.
Yeah.
But the more you will not feel it. If you do it, you will not feel sticky. But it is sticky only because of the reason of what. For the first is yes. So who all love our smoky pencils? Yes.
Yeah. Any day.
So there was such high demand from the market that they wanted something with shimmer and sheen in it to be applied inside the eyes. And I should tell you, it took me almost 1 year to develop this. Because any shimmer cannot be applied inside the eyes. And that's why we say our eye glide should never be applied inside the eyes. It's an eyeliner. But we launched a brown and a blue with a shimmer in it which can be applied inside the eyes. particles of shimmer in it.
Yeah.
And to get the right brown doesn't suit their skin, and the other 20 things only brown.